Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst of Zetrodex, and today we're looking at the analysis on the currency pair US dollar to the Canadian dollar. And first, of course, we'll be talking about fundamentals surrounding this current market. Before then, we move down to technical analysis, which where we'll be having a look at pure chart patterns, support and resistance points, trend line movements, descending triangles, and a host of them all. So, firstly, we need to talk about the surge that has recently happened as the Truth Social, in which Trump assured markets that Mexico and Canada 25% blanket tariffs would indeed be implemented last week, Tuesday, which happened. He also threw in an extra 10% on China for good measure, says Mr. Kyle Chapman, as the FX markets are seen to have busted following that recent news. Now, the Canadian dollar and the peso rallied sharply under delay as investors saw it as a sign that target countries could negotiate and whittle away with severity of potential tariffs. So, with all that being said, we understand that the market potentially has been cautious as Trump tariff kept its threats. So, Canadian dollar forecast is definitely going to return to February lows as we expected. But currently now, what we're seeing on the market outlook is a very important hold on a very important resistance zone. The first test happened at 1.44515, and the second test happened at 1.44729. Now, this test seems like a die down to the upside momentum as we are seeing the first resistance, the second resistance, and now a fallback through now. We're hoping that this candle currently maybe touches here and then makes a retracement, but if not, it's definitely looking like a free fall to correct this. So drawing our trend line to mark out sell zone, we don't really need to draw it all that perfectly, but as we can see, we understand that the market potentially could be on a free fall following whatever comes out of this. So we should understand it this way that a lot of sentiment for a sell. But if a breakthrough out of this zone happens on this descending triangle, we're expecting a push up. But if not, if it hits it and then a potential retracement happens, we're expecting a fall from this point down to this point. And we are racking, if I'm not mistaken, about 100 plus pips from that point to this point, which is good money. This, of course, can be our take profit, 1.44021. And of course, our stop loss could be at 1.44741. Now, that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, United States dollars to the Canadian dollars. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.